Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to enable the Dynamic Checkout button. With Dynamic Checkout, your customers can quickly complete the checkout without having to go through the Add to Cart step. Adding a Dynamic Checkout button to your product page offers several significant benefits that can enhance your business performance. First and foremost, it can boost conversion rates. By offering one-click checkout options like PayPal or Apple Pay, you streamline the buying process, making it quicker and easier for impulse buyers and returning customers. Another advantage is the enhanced customer experience. A dynamic checkout button streamlines the buying process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. Customers who value their time will appreciate the convenience of a faster checkout. Customer satisfaction can translate into repeat business and positive word-of-mouth marketing, which are invaluable for long-term success. Okay, let's start adding a dynamic checkout button to featured products using EComposer right now. First, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Normally, Dynamic Checkout button will be used in Product Page. With EComposer, you can easily create a product page by clicking Start Building here and choosing the appropriate templates. See more how to create a product page with EComposer here. In this video, I will choose my existing product page. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, locate where you want to place the dynamic checkout element, then drag and drop it. Okay, this is the display of the dynamic checkout button when added to the EComposer Editor. Note that this element will not work with third-party apps such as Subscription, Bundle, and the Product Properties element. It just uses Shopify Dynamic Checkout, and the payment methods will show according to the method added in Shopify. Okay, now we will configure this element. EComposer's Dynamic Checkout element has a fairly simple configuration but is extremely complete with the design features you need. In the Content tab, you will easily animate the button by enabling the Button Animation Here option. You can set the loop for this effect by dragging the loop times adjustment bar or directly entering the number of seconds you want here. Now, we will go to the Design tab. Design tab includes two sections, Button and Animation Effect. With Button, Alignment, Typography, EComposer allows you to upload any font you want to the editor or use the Google font set available here. You also can change text shadow, box shadow, or change text color, background, border radius, and spacing for both normal and hover. The animation effect provides up to 21 options to help you easily choose the right animation for your button. So, I have successfully added the Dynamic Checkout button to my product page. Very simple, right? To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a dynamic checkout element to my product page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.